Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to start the Hindu newspaper analysis for the October month, October 2021. New month, so new analysis and new lectures, fresh lectures for all of you. Let's get started without any delay. शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास. अब आज के न्यूज़पेपर में ना हम प्रीलिम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से आज के न्यूज़पेपर को कवर करेंगे. We are going to cover today's newspaper from the perspective of prelims. Okay. So you can make simultaneous notes in the lecture itself. क्लास में simultaneously आप notes बना सकते हैं. And every day I am going to start the lecture with one MCQ based question. Okay, and I will end the lecture with one MCQ based question for your homework. तो हम lecture start करेंगे एक practice question से और lecture को end करेंगे एक homework question से. Okay, and you will let me know the answers in the comment section of the homework question. Homework question का जो answer होगा आप मुझे comment section में बताना. Likewise, if we follow this practice daily, you will be in a position to get accustomed with the prelims pattern. आप एक ऐसे position पे आ जाओगे जहाँ पर आपको prelims के pattern की knowledge अच्छे से हो जाएगी. You will whenever you will read any article, any current affair, any news, you will be in a position to quickly understand what kind of question they can from this particular article. Okay, so that is why we are going to follow this practice. So let's get started without any delay. शुरू करते हैं आज का lecture. So question number 1, the global competitiveness report is published by the International Monetary Fund, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, World Economic Forum or World Bank. You have to let me know your answers. You have 10 seconds time. 10 सेकेंड का टाइम है आपके पास, फटाफट से बताएं. The global, these reports are important. Okay, the global competitiveness report, it is published by, कौन publish करता है इसको, जल्दी से बताएं. Yes, the correct answer in this case is it is World Economic Forum. It is published by the World Economic Forum. Now starting with the first article for today, आज का पहला आर्टिकल समझ लेते हैं. Monsoon may withdraw from next week. So this article is important from the prelims perspective and paper 1, geography का paper 1 जो होता है ना मेंस का, उसके perspective से important है. We all know that Indian climate is known as the monsoon type. And we have two basic type of monsoon seasons. For example, we have the southwest monsoon season, wherein you can witness the rainfall in the month of June and September. That is the seasonal rainfall. Then we witness the retreating monsoon season, that is in the month of October and November. Now in prelims they can ask you questions related to the factors which influence the southwest monsoon season. So I'll be creating a separate lecture on monsoon so that you can understand in entirety what is the monsoon and what are the factors that affect the monsoons. For example, the differential, that is the difference between heating and cooling of land and water. That is also a reason how southwest monsoon season starts, because on the land area there is low pressure and on the sea area there is high pressure. Then the shift in the ITCZ in summer over the Ganga plain, it is also responsible for southwest monsoon season. So we will study in detail about monsoon in a separate lecture. एक separate lecture में हम पढ़ेंगे. In this article there is a term called LPA, long period average. The article says that at the start of monsoon in India, the forecast was made of the monsoon rainfall and it was more than 101% of LPA. So what is LPA? LPA is important for prelims. LPA is long period average. The average rainfall which is recorded over India between 1961 and 2010. That is a long period average. And if it is 88 centimeter of rainfall, it is considered as the normal rainfall. LPA जब भी होता है ना तो LPA मतलब नॉर्मल रेनफॉल हो रही है, ठीक है. सो द एवरेज इज 87 सेंटीमीटर विच इज नॉर्मल. सो द हायर सितंबर रेनफॉल, इट बेसिकली जितने भी हमारे सितंबर रेनफॉल होता है वो क्यों होता है, बिकॉज देर इज डिफरेंस इन टेम्परेचर इन द सेंट्रल एंड पैसिफिक ओशन एंड देर इज दिस डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ला नीना which takes shape, in which there is the normal sea surface temperatures are colder as compared to the usual levels. Okay, point clear हो गया. Now coming on to the next article, current account surplus slides to $6.5 billion in Q1. Unacademy is launching All India Free Scholarship Test, that is the UPSC CSE Combat, this October 3rd at 11 AM in the morning. Previously, in the year of 2020, we conducted various combats, and we had Abhishek Shukla sir and Shreya Shashank sir who participated in those free scholarship tests, and now they are all India rank 50 and rank 151 in UPSC 2020 exam. So if you want to crack UPSC CSE, you need to practice a lot. And for your practice, we are launching the scholarship test every Sunday at 11 a.m. in the morning. These scholarship tests are conducted live. These are of 1 hour. Total 50 questions you need to solve. And this Sunday on October 3rd, we are keeping the theme of geography in this free scholarship test. So make sure that you enroll in the Unacademy Combat through the link which is given below in the description box, and you can use the invite code ARPITA10 as well. जरूर 11 बजे सुबह 3 अक्टूबर को इस कॉम्बैट को, इस फ्री स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट को दीजिएगा, ताकि आपको आपकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक पता चल सके, स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस पता चल सके, और आप स्कॉलरशिप जीतने का चांस भी ले सको. So over here in this article it says that India's current account balance saw a far lower surplus of $6.5 billion, that is 0.9% of GDP. So this is important for prelims. What is current account balance of payment? See, these current account balance of payment, it's an indicator of economy's health. If it is positive, that means the economy is lending to the rest of the world. But if it is negative, that means we are taking loan from rest of the world. And current account balance of payment is equal to sum of the balance of trade. Balance of trade means export minus import, plus net income that we are earning from abroad, plus net current transfer. That is the current account balance of payment. Basically, it's a record of countries' international transactions with the rest of the world. Okay, so these are the basic things that you need to remember when it comes to a current account balance of payment. The next important article, urban missions to get big outlay. Outlay means big funding they are going to get. The revamped versions, that is the redeveloped versions of Swachh Bharat Mission Urban and Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation that Prime Minister Modi ji launched. They are getting new funding now. अब इनकी funding को increase किया जा रहा है. So here 2 missions you have to study from the perspective of prelims. Prelims के लिए 2 missions आपको पढ़ने हैं. First is the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban that was launched in 2014. The aim of which is construction of toilets and making cities open defecation free. And second is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, launched in 2015. The aim is to establish adequate basic infrastructure for urban transformation. Okay. So these are the 2 important missions that you need to study in this article. So the homework question for today is, Atal Innovation Mission is set up under the Department of Science and Tech, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Niti Aayog, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. This is your homework question for today. Let me know the answers. We will discuss the answer in the next lecture. मुझे comment section में अपने answers बताइएगा, फिर हम उसे discuss करेंगे next lecture में. So this was your Hindu newspaper analysis for today, that is 1st of October 2021. I hope you enjoyed this newspaper analysis as well as you are enjoying the editorial analysis, because I've created a separate playlist for the editorials as well. So make sure that you are watching these lectures to enhance your current affairs understanding and note making skills. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead. The class PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. Link is given below in the description box.